Are in the 40s and 50s. It may as well be late fall.
Yeah.
And we're going to hang on to the mild weather for about another 24 hours. And of course, it's all going to change.
Of course.
Because it is January. You can already tell, I mentioned fog as a likelihood as we get into the evening hours. But as the atmosphere gets progressively more moist the next couple of hours, some of this is rain, of course. You can see a raindrop right there on the camera lens. Fog is going to settle in behind the showers. So it's something to keep in mind. The visibility will be going down as we get into the evening and after dark. That can be a bit of a problem on the roads. Our Mr. Reuter Tower Camera View live look over downtown Columbus showing light rain, 46 degrees, east-southeast breeze, relative humidity up to 86%. We were up to 47 an hour ago, so the rain is causing temperatures to at least stabilize. So just bands of very light showers. This is the latest coming in, and it looks like a warm front here when it kind of lines out from Washington Courthouse and Chillicothe down to Marietta. So just little patches of rain to the north and east of Lancaster up toward Hebron. Here's the next patch coming into the city on the west side from Hilliard to West Jeff and Grove City, and there's that band Chillicothe down through Jackson and Wellston and Gallipolis. So all kind of lifting off to the northeast, not much to it. Pretty weak system. The more important storm is just starting to reform down in the southern plains, and that's an offshoot of one of the Pacific storms, and there have been many. There's the parent low just spinning well south of the Gulf of Alaska. The latest system is starting to weaken as it comes inland after another night of flooding rains and high winds, but there's yet one more storm for the weekend for the west coast in this never-ending train of relentless rainstorms and mountain snow. Now, we do have a low risk of severe weather tomorrow, primarily south of the Ohio River, so that's something we'll keep in mind. Very unusual, of course, for January, but I am mentioning at least a chance for some thunder, especially south, when a cold front runs into this extremely mild air. But in the short term, it's dense fog that we have to worry about tonight. You can see that in our model, really increasing as we get deeper into the evening hours after midnight, lingering probably to the morning rush. 46 degrees now. 49 in Marion, so again, very mild air, but it's cool enough at the surface that fog is going to form as we saturate. So we'll go from light showers to some patchy dense fog, steady temperatures overnight, 45, but then we're going to come back to around 50 for your morning commute on Thursday. Tomorrow, rain and perhaps a thunderstorm, and then we go from 55 Thursday to 36 and snow showers, maybe a light coating on Friday, a chilly, dry weekend, and back to mild next week.